Go to Taco Bell and order from the hood of your car? Oh my gosh, that's crazy.
This is gonna be bussin'.
Alright, say less. Let's go. Hey, don't dent my car now. Alright, let's go. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's order.
Oh my god. Yo.
Hi. Can I order a strawberry lemonade mixed with a Baja Blast?
Okay.
And that's it.
1 cent, please.
There you go. Thank you. How's your day going? You look good. I like your pink earrings.